Approaching today because I wasn't able to use my laptop right away. But definitely leading bullish toward the supply side. Um, I don't really know where the market would go right now. Actually, predicted the market open, but obviously I didn't take it. It's nothing but for me, in my opinion, anything before market open, like as soon as before market opens, it's pretty much a gamble. Oh, we're gonna have an S&P in this low. What is this low? London low. It's actually fairly good. Yeah. Like NQ could take this hourly intermediate low, and ES takes this low, giving us a full S&P. Yeah, I'm definitely bullish. Let's see when ES takes this low, we can maybe see some bullish action. Anyways, I wasn't able to go to short a lot earlier today. Particularly my husband was using it. So I actually marked this out pre-market. And I saw this candle closing. I was like, shit, this is like the most sure gamble in the world that I would do. And if I did like 1 minute here, I was risking 280, not really much, just to make a decent winning day. Just less for the payout. But yeah, I was anticipating a reaction from here. We already did. We actually already took that high. So I think in the market might dump from here, take this hourly intermediate low, and yes, take this sell style liquidity, giving us a bullish S&P. Can get that pretty nice. There you go. I now have a fan. Sadly, I don't have a fan pointing at me. It's pretty hot. Pretty hot. Also a 4 hour intermediate low, but we also have the end log. I'll definitely mark this out for ES. ES is a lot closer to that end log. Can definitely take that end log first on ES, and then to goes higher. Yeah, end log for ES, NQ is a lot farther, so I don't see it being a draw that I would mark out. ES, I would definitely do. I just wait for a reaction here, like an SMC, then you take one. Gonna go 1 minute a day, whatever happens, but less than 2 minutes, it's just 1%. 1% risk, because again, I'm just 1 minute day away from a payout. So, we got a winning day today, we're taking out, pretty much, what, 1100 something, 1100 payout, do with that, and then just try to get, rinse and repeat, boom, 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 boom. Okay, ES now took the London low. Let's see if we can get any some sort of reaction from this London low. Again, bullish S&P from London low. Boom, boom. Pretty evident S&P, but I think we're gonna have a retweet first because the structure here so long isn't really the best. Even the 1 minute, 2 minute doesn't really have a great inversion unless it's like 2879. Oh yeah, I don't really like this. I think it's a really good train, but if you literally flip, I don't really mind. The 930 wick, just make a day, be done in a day. Let's see. S&P from London lows from here. But I think what will more likely happen is like a resweep of this low, something like that, and just blast higher. That's high probability. If the ES is going higher, it's good. He is after going to inverse this first percent gap on him. He has inverse this into the next candle. We inverse this and popping in. Because that would also be, I think, no, it's not going to be a 2 minute inverse though. Just 938, 940 is going to be the next close. And I know. Okay. Don't look really good, but if the price doesn't present it, obviously I'm not taking none. All right, I think we might be dumping from here. 30 second, around 2890. That's similar fill. Let's see if we can get the 2 minute now. 2 minute close, there's 2863 stop loss. There you go. Let's see if we can get a 940 close. Already too long. Then there's break even here in the 5 minute. Actually, not the best structure actually. I'm gonna just wait. The structure isn't doing it, not like screaming on my face. It's like, it's kind of like creating some sort of liquidity. Type shit, right? No pain, I know. Yeah, stopping. I think we're just gonna go lower here with how that gap is getting respected. Get a new an actual 5 minute gap. Now this becomes a 5 minute gap that we can close on. Now it's either we get a 5 minute inversion to the upside, kind of like this, or we get a short from here. So I'm just gonna take this S&P thing out. And there get short from here. Not lying. I'm not lying. Now we can definitely get short from here. Or like it's on the low, even though it's short in S&P. But if we close above on the 5 minute with a decent entry, we banking. No, I'm not taking out this 1 minute. If I would, definitely my paper. Okay, it didn't even close, so yeah, I didn't like that. And just we can literally just reverse from here. I care about like if you get 30 seconds to the downside, I'm taking this short. Or if you get 30 seconds at 2864, it's kind of like this over here, right? It's looking pretty bullish, bullish. You can take a 3 minute here. Yeah, 3 minute actually looks very nice. 3 minute looks fairly nice. I would take it on paper, but not on my thing. How much can I go there? 10, 100, 50, 25. Yeah, I just go there. I wouldn't like to fill anyway, so that is a trade on my favor. I won't take it on live though. I won't take it on live. Preferably I want a 5 minute. Here I wanted the 2 minute to close. I mean, it did close, but it's pretty far off. If you can get the 3 minute, I would like. Let's say the 3 minute is like kind of like. Let's say there's a five. Okay, like this. Kind of like stalled a bit. Then the 5 minute inverse. Then we created this 3 minute structure, giving us like a 3 minute BPR. Come from there, yes. Then I would probably aim here, but obviously take most of my contracts here in this high, but mostly also. But I think we're gonna take this high now without taking my NQ contract. Let's see. But I don't really like it. Like if you took that, sure, that's really not stand of the sale. Here, I mean, it depends where you put your stop loss at. 37 isn't really a big deal for me, but it's like negative par unless target this high. Like it. And then there we can. So yeah, well, it's still safe. Already took the high, so it's not as relevant anymore. We're also about to trade some 250 minute gap on ES, and then few we're not. We're actually respecting the 30 minute gap really nicely as well as the 50 minute gap, the 5 minute gap. I just need like a 5 minute version, then like a tap onto this. Like the 5 minute looks the same as the 3 minute, but the fail didn't allow us to enter on it. Definitely my draw right now is all time highs. It's like what one. It's like duo like four equal highs, like 2 billion relative equal highs, like that. So I do believe there's a chance for retrace here, like a 5 minute loop or 3 minute structure. But if it's banks, then it's a bank holiday. I think majority of people took this. Depends where you put your stop loss at. This for me is a negative RR. This here, we can literally just retrace a bit, then take me out. Going here is negative RR. Just a target this high, right? Or a little bit more discretionary and maybe like right here. Okay. Certainly the 15 minute gap on, yes. But it doesn't really matter much anymore for like or disrespecting bullish theories, right? Smart got this high, that's a fairly equal high. So like a key high on the yes. What's that? Here to like until 5 minute or something. But I won't. I'm like so bullish to trading equal highs. I just think we're gonna respect the 5 minute DPR, so like a 5 minute gap. I mean, there are freaking acres you took this short, maybe like 101 for here. I mean, like that's over 101, so it's up to you. But for me, I'm definitely longing this if market could present an entry for me. Nasdaq present an entry for me. I know that, okay, we have a bull entry right now from this until 5 minutes. All right, there should be an inversion here that I would take. I would gladly take 40 points. Yeah, too many here. We'll see if we can get the inversion because we already have a bull session out of central 5 minute gap. Yes, took the C of the central 5 minute. Thank you. It's giving us structure for longs. So let's see here if we'll inverse that smoothly. Because if we do, then I'm in for too many. I'm in for too many. Actually, I think it's gonna pump higher. Now inverse now. Oh man. Oh man. I see. We'll see. It's definitely still have a structure for it. I just have a really conviction. So this they're gonna flush through the all-time high. Like we're that bullish. We're that bullish. Okay, are we rejecting this? Like seriously? Wow. We truly rejected that. Went deeper into this 5 minute. All right, take it out. We're gonna take this equal low now or something. Are we gonna be like bearish now? Like you cannot make triple equal odds, right? You have to ram through that. Yeah, you gotta ram through that Nasdaq. I know you want it. Let's see. Maybe the CE would be a place where this, where the price would react. It's actually it. Or maybe this 30-second would give me the entry at 299.50 right here. My stops on 299.23. Okay, we tapped the 1 minute now. Let's see, I'm just gonna wait for the 1 minute. I hope we can get the entry here on the conversion. If I was here, definitely a different thing. Still chopping up. Not good. Or the 5 minute? Oh, no, no. Rejecting. Still rejecting. That's what happens. But this next 1 minute inverse on ES, we're definitely in. What if you limit off? No, I'm just gonna wait for the 1 minute. That's the condition I've set. But I really have strong, strong, strong conviction here. But your conviction doesn't really care. It's applying whether you win or you lose. 15 point stop is like a 40 something point target. Close, 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 close. Okay, limited PM. The house boys. Give us a fill. Give us a fill, Nasdaq. Give us the fill. Oh, come on. If I didn't get filled here, I mean, it's what it is. But I really have a good conviction that he would get filled. Why you always thinking whether you would take me or not? Next step. Just decide whether you would take me or not. Or in this trade, like I know, right? There you go. Are you gonna take me now? Or those I'm high? Then my break even would now be this high. I think we're gonna come on. Come on at that. Come on. If I was I'll put my limit here, dog. Oh, goodness gracious. I'll put my limit in there. Goodness gracious. Nah, I'm gonna be out here. I don't think price would leave that low again. Um, definitely just gonna rise up here. But yeah, I'm still gonna put it in here. You know, right? But if if I would still get filled, there's still a chance, still an equal high, an equal high, still an equal high. Maybe yeah, there you go. Then stops like this, stops right here. Yeah, just take me that back. Oh no. It is what it is, guys. I think if I wasn't, stingy enough with my entry, I would have been here, uh, got this high, but I think we're gonna have an open low, high close. It's fine. I'm just gonna wait for an entry. If this is, I think it's gonna be just a trade of the day. A lot of things I'm not even hoarding. I'll put a limit order here, guys, but I took it off. I was just playing around because it's not even my strat. It's power strat. I just feel like we're gonna go down. We gotta go down, then get a bankroll type shit. And if I was here, I would have been a break even. Because I think my entry was like this. I was like risking 40 bucks on whatever this is. Oh yeah, something like this. And like my stops are right here right now. Wow. If I did take it, I'm a freaking nature dog. What's up your gamble? Don't do that. Don't do that. I think a pure winning day, I think this would be a pure winning day, right? So like one name. No. If it's merely winning days, I would definitely trail my limit of like right here. So yeah, I'm definitely trailing to this five. Like shit. Yeah, I don't think there's any more setup here, but we'll see. But for me, the trade of the day was gone. I usually just put a limit order on the IFBG, but it became a little bit saucy, baka, precise. Here, this one would have been taken out. I mean, freaking beautiful entry and bank. My winning day as well as a $2,000 payout is I was targeting, I think, this high, uh, something around like 1600, 1800 with minis. So it's like something like this, yeah. So I was not looking for a long like that. If I did, this would literally be like I got tagged in, then just bank a day. So if I was here, I would have just stopped out and break even or taken a winning day. But I don't really think there's any more setup here. Uh, you can still maybe take as ES still has draws. Longs obviously is the move, but it's not really a decent spot where the price would like retrace onto to reject unless we open up this one to 15-minute gap like here. And you can go just target internal highs on all-time highs, and it should be fairly fine. Let's see. The next 7 minutes is gonna open this 15-minute gap, and all-time high can be the it's just like more like a scalp if ever. It's an end here. Um, this one is an inversion. It could be a paper trade. Okay, this didn't even get filled. So like you can just buy in the market buy and like TP here. Confirm that stop loss is on a 101. This is for demo trades only. Demo trade. Bloop and bloop. Whatever 101 is. I think that's gonna get stopped now. Let's actually put it where it should be. Oh yeah, I forgot where it should be was here. Because this was the inversion. But there's a 1 minute here, but yeah, you just put it where it was, originally placed at negative RR a bit. So let's just go for a positive RR. But yeah, missed the trade of the day. And yeah, this really became too precise with my entry. Even though I was risking pretty low, guys. For 2 minutes here, it's not really even big. It's on like my first trading day from my eval. Um, first trading day on my funded. I was risking really happy. This one right here, 2 minutes is like probably just 1%, like 1.2. But this time around, I just got ahead of me, and yeah, that happens.